It's Colin McLeod from the stockmarketbasics.com, and here we are with our intraday stock picks for December 13th, 2013. Starting off the longs on our list for today, the first long is CNO. This is in the insurance sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a multi-year uptrend. After a solid move up from October to the end of November, the stock began consolidating. There has been no sign of any selling pressure, and yesterday the stock moved up towards the consolidation range high and closed at the high of the day. We'll see if this stock can break out tomorrow, and if the stock moves past $17.05, we plan to go long on it with a price target of $17.25 on intraday trade. Here is a daily chart of CNO. Next up, we've got KEY. This is in the banking sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We'd like KEY as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in an uptrend. The stock has been consolidating for most of November into December, and yesterday the stock tried to move up later in the session but sold off into the close alongside overall market. We'll see if this stock can keep to the upside tomorrow, and if it does go past $13.20, we plan to go long on it with a price target of $13.40. Here's a daily chart of KEY. Next up, we've got KORS. This is the clothing and accessories sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a multi-year uptrend. The stock started to pull back at the end of the move up in mid-November and was able to hold on to most of its gains. The stock again held this level early in December. Over the past few trading sessions, the stock has been moving upwards to the previous highs, and yesterday the stock moved up and closed strongly. We'll see if this stock can break into a new high as the market opens tomorrow, and if it does jump past 83.20, we'll consider it as a long with a price target of 84.45. Here's a daily chart of KORS. Our next long for the day is LUV. This is in the airline sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like LUV as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a multi-year uptrend. The stock started to pull back at the end of the move up in late November and quickly got bought up. The stock then attempted to rally but was not able to reach the previous high. 2 days ago the stock had a big sell-off with no follow-through, and yesterday the stock reversed to the upside, moving towards the highs on heavy volume. We'll see if this stock can break past 19 as the market opens, and if it does, we plan to go long on this stock with a price target of $19.48 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of LUV. Long number 5 on the list for today is SRPT. This is in the biotech sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock had a huge gap down in November. There was no follow through to the downside, and the stock started to move up off of the bottom immediately. After moving up for several sessions, the stock started to pull back, and yesterday the stock shot up with a gap higher and moved up through the day to close near the highs of the day on heavy volume. We'll see if buyers can push this stock any further today, and if it does go past $21 a share, we plan to go long on it with a price target of $21.90 as an intraday trade. The last long on the list for today is SWI. This is in the software sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a horrible downtrend. The move down was capped off with a big drop early in November. This big single day drop did not lead to significant lower lows. Since then, the stock has not been moving lower and has been consolidating. Over the past few weeks, the stock has been moving up, and yesterday the stock moved up on increased volume and edged into the day of the big move lower. We'll see if this stock can get some momentum as the market opens, and if it does shoot past $34.30, we plan to consider it for an intraday long trade with a price target of $34.96. Here's a daily chart of SWI. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from the stockmarketbasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future updates, as well as checking out our Freedom 35 membership